Hi, I'm Harsha Chelaram from YAMA Foundation, and welcome to Accessible Audio Yoga. Today, episode 5, we're focusing on balance challenges. Balancing provides you with a great point of reference. It requires you to be radically aware of your present moment. Wobbling is part of the journey, so don't worry if you do. If you feel unstable, please make sure you practice the following sequence near a wall so you can place one hand on the wall to help keep you steady. We'll begin in mountain pose. Start standing up tall with the feet close together, toes pointing forward. Bring the arms alongside the body, palms facing forward. Lengthen the spine and relax. Palm tree stretch. Raise the arms forwards and upwards overhead with the palms facing each other. Slowly raise the heels off the ground, coming on your tiptoes. Hold steady, keeping your eyes fixed on a point in front of you. When your next exhale, slowly lower down. Repeat 2 more times. Stretch the arms up overhead, coming up onto your tiptoes. Hold and slowly lower down. 1 more time at your own pace. When you have finished, please relax and return to mountain pose. King Dancer pose right. Shift the weight to the left leg and bend the right knee, using the right hand to take hold of the right foot behind you. Slowly lift the left arm upwards alongside the left ear. Press the right leg back, arching the spine slightly. Reach upwards with the left arm and look forward. Hold just for a few breaths. Release out of the pose gracefully and return to mountain pose. King Dancer pose left. Shift the weight now to the right leg and bend the left knee, using the left hand to take hold of the foot behind you. Raise the right arm up alongside the right ear. Pressing the left leg back, arch the spine slightly. Reach up with the hand and look forward. Release out of the pose gracefully and return to mountain pose. Tree pose right. Shift the weight once more to the left leg. This time, lift the right foot up, placing the sole of the right foot against the inner calf or the inner thigh of the left leg. The right knee is pointing out to the side. Fix your gaze on something that does not move and place the palms together in front of the heart center. If this is comfortable for you, try raising the arms up overhead. Hold here. To release, slowly lower the arms and the leg down. Relax in mountain pose. Tree pose left. To practice on the other side, shift the weight to the right leg. Bend the left leg, placing the foot against the inner calf or inner thigh of the right leg. Bring the palms together in front of the heart center, or raise the arms up overhead. Hold for a few breaths. Release gracefully and return to mountain pose. Standing forward bend. Place the hands on the hips and bend forwards, bringing the hands towards the floor. This helps to stretch out the legs after all that balancing. Hold here and relax. Return to mountain pose by gently lifting up. Bring the palms together in front of your heart center. Take a moment to have gratitude for taking time for yourself today. This concludes episode 5. Om Shanti. May the rest of your day be peaceful. Thank you.